to another exciting episode.
That is it.
That's
2020.
Woo! We made it. I was let off fireworks, did a whole bunch of stuff, and even rode a scooter around Thailand for 3 weeks, which was absolutely tops, people.
Oh, you're not joining Daft Punk.
I'm not joining Daft Punk. You know what I was thinking? Maybe.
Oh no.
I was thinking maybe I was going to go jousting. Look, people, got my helmet. Feeling like a knight in shiny armour. All right.
Oh,
but Sash.
Chris.
How was it?
The break was great.
Break was great.
Bit of bad hair.
I got no hair, don't worry about it. My toupee's toupeeing. That's all over the place. It was right.
We've hit the ground
We have.
Hit the ground running.
We've hit the ground rolling too, people.
And rolling.
And it's all been...
Maybe over 8 over the break.
I've been over 80.
Overeating. Oh, and I'm spracking English really well.
Exactly.
It's going to be a good year.
Look, we're here to serve you. We're here to clean up your water, your dirty water. We're here to teach you about My Selects. We're here not to teach you about My Selects. We're here to have fun Fridays, which we normally do. Please enjoy it with us the whole year as we go through it, which would be great. Obviously...
With a coffee.
With a coffee.
Yeah.
I understand Paul, our illustrious leader, is doing some speaking this year. So tell us all about it.
Up in Asia, at ASIAWATER 2020, he's going to be a guest speaker on PFAS.
Fantastic. I hope he has a good curry puff up that way. Good laksa, curry puff.
Let's hope.
Our brothers and sisters up that way.
That's it.
Love it.
Yeah.
Shout out to our people up there in KL.
Absolutely. Yep.
So they're with us this year. There's a bunch of people with us this year. Shout out to all our clients, past clients, all of that sort of stuff. Get in touch with us. And look, basically, that's it for us. We're going to let you guys go back and do some work while we continue the craziness and design the craziness that is 2020 for this time of year. And as we normally say, stay well, stay happy, and value your time.